What's up guys, PaleXOX here, and today we're going to be doing problem number 4, table to string. You make a table and print the strings, which is basically words, sentences. Anyways, that is me just testing it out, so that's just nice. That'll be blurred. Okay, anyways, first you make a table. So a local table, you can't call it table, so I'm just adding an extra E because why not. And then you do curly brackets, and then why is that doing that? I don't want to open that. Okay, anyways, then you just put variables in here. I don't know, you want one. Okay, why am I in subtract mode? That's what the black thing is. It's subtract mode, and I don't want to be in subtract mode. Subtract mode is just weird. Okay. Let's put a string in here, so make sure you have apostrophes, not apostrophes, whatever they're called. Anyways, subscribe, that's what it's going to be. And then let's just do game.workspace. Like the video, like we should do. And then, oops, make sure you have commas between each. And then, I'm the best YouTuber, because I totally am. And then you close with a curly bracket. Okay, now to print all these lovely things, you do print, and then you do the table name, which mine is table E. And then you do a bracket 1, and then close bracket, and then close the print. So basically it's printing the table E, which is the whole table, and then it's putting the first thing in there, which would be 1. And you can go as many variables as you have, yada yada. I don't want to copy all this, I just want to copy this part. I'm going to copy it, and just how many do I have? I have 5, so I'm just going to do it 5 times 2. Okay, so change that to a 2, change that to a 3, change that to a 4, and change that to a 5. So if we go and play this, it should print out the 5 values in order. See, 1, subscribe, workspace, like the video, and I'm the best YouTuber. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.